Dan noodles?
First off, we're gonna make the sauce. Dan noodles all across, everyone knows they're spicy.
Right.
So when you make dan noodles, you just wanna have a little bit of oil, and then like 3 different types of chili. So you're gonna have sriracha, which is definitely something that I love. Sriracha. And then some Szechuan spicy chili right here. And then some sambal, which is more like a chunkier, like sriracha.
I love sambal. Yeah.
Sambal, yeah. So we're gonna put that in. Nice and easy. Start with a little bit of oil, whisk it together.
Garlic.
And then throw in probably about a tablespoon of garlic. This is gonna add some nice flavor there, okay? And honestly, it really is that easy. Maybe we'll add a little bit more sriracha. And it's really easy because that spice, it does come through, but it doesn't overwhelm you once mixed with everything else.
No, once it's with everything else, it cuts it way down.
Way down. All of this nice kind of fat and rendering and juiciness that you get from this meat will help that kind of cut through. So we're gonna throw some
What's
sesame
your
oil.
meat combo?
So sesame oil, about a tablespoon, meat combo, ground pork, ground beef, like so. And then simultaneously mix in ginger, onion, and scallion. Thank you. And here's the trick that a lot of people don't realize. You're gonna season this with the pack that you get
The ramen packet.
from the ramen packs. We're just gonna throw that in. And the beauty of that is all of that awesome seasoning is gonna become an aromatic and really flavor the meat to the exact point that you want.
Smells great.
So once you cook it off like that, you really want high heat.
You drop the noodles?
Yeah, we'll drop the noodles.
Yeah.
And you really want high heat like this because as you do it, you want that crispiness and that texture.
You want to crust it.
So this one right here is already working. And as you can see, it's nice and charred, and you have like nice flavor built up there, good caramelization. And then the beauty of this dish, you're only using a couple of ingredients, but you're taking what you would make in college or if you're on a budget, and you make it fancy and fun.
Right, you're just making it a little more sophisticated.
Yeah, exactly. So the beauty about ramen noodles too, it takes, what was that?
Literally like 2 minutes.
I think it's been like 30 seconds, it's almost done already. So we have some already cooked off right here. We're gonna throw this directly into the meat. So we're gonna put it right here.
Here, baby, you want to do the
Yes,
tossing and I'll
please.
pour your sauce?
Okay. So we're just gonna go right here.
Oh my
Let's
God!
get right in. Look at that.
Look at that!
Okay. So now what you have here, you have the awesome meat, you have that awesome chili going on. Look how nice and easy this is. It's just delicious.
Plus, it's everybody's favorite. Who doesn't love bowls of noodles?
Yeah, right? Split some up. Half for you.
Put extra meat on
Yeah.
that guy.
Get some of that meat over there for sure.
Put extra crispy meat.
Extra crispy. And then you're gonna garnish with a little bit of scallion.
Scallions.
Right on top. Nice aromatic. And you're ready to
Put
eat.
some chopsticks in it. You're done.